How to see your sent history on MX Player app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your sent history on MX Player app easily. First thing, go to the MX Player. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top corner and click on those three lines. Now all what you have to do is go down and click on file transfer right here. And now all what you have to do is simple. Go down here and click on history. Click on send right here, and here you will find all your sent history easily. And then you can choose from here files or videos or whatever sent you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.